Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now, if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. We're going to do this really simple fried tilapia fish with a beautiful garlic, sweet chili sauce. Okay, so I've got one tilapia fish there, which has been cleaned and descaled. So all clean inside. And what I've done is I've scored it that way and then a bit that way across. Not all the way down, just to open the skin a little bit. Very simply what we're going to do is we're going to salt it. So quite a lot of salt, which we're going to rub in there. I'm going to do the other side as well, a little bit inside, and then we're ready for the cooker. So I've got a kind of wok or a deep pan or skillet you're going to need. I've got like 2 centimeters of oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. We're going to get that nice and hot. Then we're going to drop the fish in. Like I said, I'm using a sunflower oil, but you could use something like corn, canola, peanut oil, something like that. But we're getting that hot. We're going to take our fish and we're going to drop her in there. We're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Now I'm only going to flip it maybe once or twice. Now if it sticks, leave it alone. It will naturally come off the bottom of the pan. If you start digging at it, you're going to break it to pieces. Okay, and that's absolutely beautiful. Off goes the heat. Going to get that out, put it onto a little bit of towel to get any, or kitchen paper or towel, get any excess oil from it. Then we can move on. Okay, so I've got a little bit of oil in there, heating it up nice and hot. I've got a tablespoon of chopped garlic. Just want to get a little tiny amount of colour on that garlic. And it'll really infuse the oil. Then we're simply going to drop in 3 different sauces. Some fish sauce, sweet chili sauce and some ketchup. So here we go. A couple of teaspoons only of fish sauce. Sweet chili sauce. Ketchup. Black pepper, nice big pinch. 90 seconds on this high heat. Beautiful. No need to add any salt. Fish sauce is really, really quite salty enough. Beautiful, job done. Okay, we've got our fish there. We've got that sauce and on it goes. It's really, 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 really beautiful. Like a nice sweet chili lava. Fantastic. Okay, and there you have it. Just really, really easy, nice and simple. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and do all that lovely social media stuff, will ya? See you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.